Welcome back. This is series number 3 of part number 7. Number 7 of series 3. We're doing the boots and the pants. What I did offline was I dug it a little further deeper underneath the coat. And then if you look at the front of your Santa, see how these are kind of curved in towards the boot? And the back side is also done that way, not the front. But you want to cut that out a little bit, and then the front you want basically straight all the way down, because we're going to actually take the boot out of this portion. That's what we're going to work on next. So let me take the knife, and we'll go back and we'll cut this out really kind of deep. And it's a lot of stop cuts, okay? A lot of rocking that knife back and forth and try to get a little bit out and then go back. And we're going to go in pretty far, but you don't want to go up too high, okay? You just want to do it like this and then push back down until those chips come out. That's another way to do a stop cut. The only problem with going this way first, you don't want to dig it into the wood. So do another stop cut until we get down a little further, like so. Alright, see, that's where our boot's coming out of. Now we're going to go a little deeper. And just take your time doing that, because there's a lot of pressure on that knife to get those pieces out. So, and you're going to try not to go at an angle this way into the boot, okay? Now what we're going to do up here, we're going to go back to the top, and we're going to go to each corner, and we're going to define that a little further in, like so. Make it a little rounder. And you're going to do that at each corner. Okay? And once that's done, all the way around, you're going to define those corners again. Just dig it down a little bit, maybe 1/8 of an inch from the top. You don't want to do this portion, because that's going to be part of your pants, you know, the bulging pants on the bottom. So that's give it that round look. And we're going to go this way. We're going to do the same thing here. Rock it a little bit and then take a little bit out of each corner. Okay, we've got one more corner to go. Okay, see how we rounded all that off? See that? Okay, just showing you. You can go around and define that a little bit more if you'd like. Like under here, I should be cutting a little bit more off. Okay. We'll give it some depth. Remember, we talked about that before. A couple of cuts can make a world of difference. So what we want to do here is we want to go where we stopped the cut here. I'm going to round this off a little bit yet, so they kind of match. Okay, make sure it's about the same distance. Then we're going to just take our knife and make a little curvature. Okay, we're going to pop that out. Okay, one side, and then we're going to do the other side. Just a little bit of a turn, not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, well, just like that. What we're going to do is we're going to separate the boots. We're going to take a line here and go right from the corner, and we're going to put a line all the way down, straight through the boots to separate the legs here. And the same thing on the back, like so. You can use your knife as a very straight edge. You can kind of take it up, take it up again, and then just draw one line all the way, stop cut all the way down. You're going to cut a little V out, like so. You're going to make a couple of cuts, so don't let this discourage you. We're going to make a couple of cuts, and now we're going to turn it around and do the front. You can use a V-tool on this if you're more comfortable with that, if you're a seasoned carver and you know how to use those. I'm strictly a knife person. I like doing everything with a knife. And you want to go down kind of deep. 1/8 of an inch or so. And then I'm going to put another stop cut in here. And clean it up a little bit. That's one side. And it looks like I'm going against the grain here, which I am. You got to feel how the knife is going to work in that. Okay. Then up here, you're going to go back in and dig a little further straight in from underneath the coat. You go back and do your stop cut from your legs, and then take your knife right into that. See? Okay. You're going to work that all the way around. See? That's how we have it done here for the legs. You can fuss with that a little bit and try to get that a little more rounded. Make that indentation, that V cut, a little more pronounced. We're going to do the same thing in the front. I usually do the boots section last. Well, let me do these first. Just a little V cut on either side, just like so. Now this is going to be a little interesting because what you want to do is you want to dig it in a little bit at the very top of the boots. A stop cut pretty deep with the point of your knife. And a little stop cut. Again, use your thumb, push it in. Okay? And then you're going to make a line right up through to the top of that coat. I turn it around. It's easier doing it from the top to the bottom. Okay? And then you're going to take this corner out at the top. That little stop cut. Turn it around and do the other side. And do the pants. Now we're going to go down here and do the top of the boot. That's a little tougher because it gets a little deep in there, but you want that. You want that, you know, that clarity and that depth in that carving. You know, so what you're going to do is just go around. You can make this a little rounder at the top, and so you can see how our boots or things are coming out. You want to round all this off a little bit. There will be a flat portion. You can see that on this. There's a flat portion here, flat portion here. But we try to clean it all up. And then when I come back, I'll show you how to put the actual, finish off the shoes and finish up the top part, the rim. So I'm going to clean it up and I'll be back.